It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, sponsored by Scooters Coffee. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your Thursday. Somehow it is October 12th in the Ozarks, and we are starting out with temperatures that are pretty comfortable in the mid-50s this morning, and now we are seeing numbers that are going to climb into the mid-70s this afternoon. Another comfortable day temperature-wise, 76 degrees, that high temp for you. The difference in the forecast today, and I've been warning you that this was coming, is the strong south wind that's going to pick up in the Ozarks this afternoon. We're talking gusts to 30 miles an hour lasting most of the afternoon. It'll be a warm wind, but windy nonetheless. So if you have any outdoor plans going on, keep in mind that the wind might be kind of bothersome if you're going to be outdoors today. It's really kind of the day in the forecast that we see things start to change for us. A stronger low pressure system is going to be building in from the west, allowing for shower and thunderstorm chances to return to the Ozarks. And this is going to be the change into a big cool down as we head into the middle of the week. But today, it's warm and windy across the Ozarks. I said it already, 76 for that high temperature. High temp, nice, but the trade-off for that warmth this time of the year, it's the wind. And I have a south breeze. It's already going out there. It's only going to pick up as we get closer to midday. Rain and storm chances will return for us late tonight. In fact, it's late tonight and early Friday that we have the best chance for rain in the forecast. It's not going to be like this big, huge soaking rain that everyone sees. However, it's the best chance for rain in the extended forecast. And I think we'll have some thunder and lightning around late tonight. Something to keep in mind if you hear thunder and lightning. I'm not really expecting severe weather, but it will be windy through this time period as this round of unsettled weather kind of moves through the area. Thursday, we have temperatures that are going to be near the upper 70s, but winds gusting to 30, 35 miles an hour. It's still windy on Friday, but we're going to hold on to the cloud cover. Chance for precipitation goes down a little bit on Friday. I think we start to see some of those showers and storms out Friday morning in the eastern Ozarks, and those will be moving east as we go through the day. Then a huge cool down is in the forecast for the weekend, and that's when temperatures are going to tank again. We'll see low temps fall back into the 50s as we head into the weekend, and I do have windy conditions that are persistent out there through the rest of the day today. Around the country, severe thunderstorms possible in the forecast today for the Central Plains. I don't think we see severe weather here, but we could have some pockets of heavy downpours, definitely some thunder and lightning in this forecast. Also making headlines, and hopefully we get to see at least part of it. I'm a little worried we're going to have a cloudy sky, so it won't be visible, but a really neat event. It's a partial solar eclipse happening this coming Saturday. It begins for the Ozarks 10:27 a.m. We start to see the moon cover the sun. So, you'll see the sun be eclipsed. Peak is about 63% coverage. That's what we get to see here in the Ozarks in Springfield. 63% coverage, which will definitely be you'll be able to see it as long as we don't have the clouds around, but that happens just before lunchtime on Saturday at 11:53. And it will all come to an end around 1:26 p.m. So fingers crossed, some of the clouds move out of my forecast. Right now, I do have cloud cover in the forecast, so that could put a damper on things, unfortunately. I have temperatures, though, for the weekend that are going to be chilly. So if you're heading out to view the partial solar eclipse, just keep in mind it's going to be cold. I have temperatures that are probably only going to stay in the 50s on Saturday, closer to 60 by Sunday, but cloud cover through the time period on Saturday. Some partial sun rejoining us again for Sunday of this weekend. So the weekend is not looking like a total washout. All right, now it's time for the Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister question, sponsored by Scooters Coffee this morning. This is the question that I left you with yesterday. On average, how many pounds of candy does each American get from trick or treating? And the options were A2, B3, C4, D5. The answer here, I am actually not surprised to hear this because those big bags of candy are so heavy. It's actually 3 pounds of candy. And a follow-up question that pops into my mind after this is, how many pounds does each American gain after Halloween? And it's probably similar to the weight of the candy that they receive. I don't know. Feels about right for me most years. 3 pounds after all the Halloween candy. B, 3 pounds. The answer today. Sometimes It can be more than that, though. I mean, kids oftentimes have like these huge bags that do get pretty heavy um, from year to year. So 3 pounds on average, some more, some less. Here is your chance to win $20 to Scooter's Coffee for tomorrow. The British royal family is reportedly banned from playing which game? Do you think that they are not allowed to play A, Uno, B, Monopoly, C, Operation, or D, Risk? Oh, I love all those games. Such classics. It'd be a real shame to not be able to play one. Which do you think that the British royal family cannot play? Let me know. You can take your guess over at aroundtheozarks.com. If you get the right answer, it's a chance to enter a pool to win $20 to Scooter's Coffee every single day. So you might as well play. It is free to enter. Check that out over at the website aroundtheozarks.com. You can also find more detailed information on your weather forecast there. I'll be back tomorrow morning. We will chat more about the weekend. Cool down, enjoy the warmth that we have out there for you today, but hold on to your hats if you're heading out the door. We have high temperatures at 76, south wind 10 to 20 miles an hour, but gusting to 30. Enjoy your afternoon. I will chat with you tomorrow morning.